Hello everyone! Today, I have a special video just for you. In today's video, we will be talking about a new app called Teachmint. What is Teachmint? And what does it do? Well, I am here to answer those questions. If you are a teacher or a tutor, stay tuned because this is the app created just for you. So, ano nga ba itong Teachmint app na to? Teachmint is a software application and India's largest teaching platform which enables teachers and educators across the globe to create a digital classroom simply by using your mobile phone, desktop, laptop, or tablet. Very convenient, hindi ba? This app surely is the answer to all your online teaching needs. With Teachmint, you can take live classes with an unlimited number of students for unlimited duration. You can also record your online classes that students can view later. All of this for absolutely free. Tama ang narinig mo, libre lang to. At walang dapat ipag-alala because there are no hidden charges. Through this app, you can now focus on teaching your students while Teachmint takes care of everything else. Excited ka na bang malaman kung ano-ano pa ang kayang gawin ng app na ito? Tara, let's take a quick tour of some of its amazing features. First, go to Playstore and download the Teachmint app. Open it, then type your mobile number to sign in. A one-time PIN will be sent to you, then press Continue. Choose your character as the teacher. Type your name. You may add a profile picture if you want. Then press Continue. Now, after these preliminaries or after signing into the app, allow me to show you how easy it is to take a class. First, create your classroom. You may type the class grade and section and don't forget the subject. Second, invite students using the link which you can send and share to your students. And third, click on the Go Live button. Makikita ka na ng mga students mo at pwede mo nang simulan ang lecture and discussion nyo like on your regular online class. It's that simple. If you didn't notice, you get to control who enters your classroom. You approve enrollment of the students. Now, let's take a look at a few features the app has to offer. The very first feature that I really like is the integrated whiteboard feature. To launch the whiteboard in a live session, click on Share and select Open Whiteboard and voila! You will see your whiteboard in front of you. You can write, draw, highlight, and much more. Another feature here that I love is the MCQ test creation. I can imagine how time-consuming creating tests can be for teachers. But this feature makes it so much easier. All you have to do is take a snap and select the correct option. Well, that was convenient. It took me absolutely no time. Let's go through this feature, which is Study Material. Here, I can simply click on this button and add my notes and course material and easily share it with my students. You can also share your screen, PDFs, and images. Well, that is just amazing! There are so many other features in this app to explore, and I think it is very helpful for teachers. You can assign homework, post study materials, make announcements through notice board, chat to your students, student control features, create live polls, and let them watch a YouTube live stream. This is like Google Classroom, Messenger Group Chat, and Google Meet in one app na nasa mobile phone mo lang. Libre! Talaga namang ang bongga, hindi ba? You will find the link to download the app in the description box below. So, what are you waiting for? I-download mo na and try it for yourself.